we talk about appreciation, sa isang condo property or development, normally there is this what we call pre-selling stage.
Okay.
And this stage is where you can actually purchase that property in its slowest, most affordable
Pinakamababa.
price. So, ibig sabihin, eto dito nag-start kasi yung pricing. And normally, this is where you want to get in and buy your unit. When you talk about appreciation, so what it is going to be after, say, 5 or 10 years when you bought that property. So
Yes.
you're locking in that pricing for the next 10 years
Yeah.
today if you purchase it at its stage when it is at its lowest price.
Pagdating sa appreciation, ang una ko talaga naalala dyan is BGC. Kasi yung BGC before, talagang ano lang siya, wala talagang building na makikita doon. Nung nagkaroon ng, yung sinasabi nyo ng pre-selling,
Right?
ang baba pa lang ng value ng mga properties doon. And ngayon, sobrang ang ganda na ng capital appreciation. Even yung mga 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms, umabot na siya ng 50 million.
I'll give you a figure. In this area, the Cloverleaf, nung nag-start ang project dito, like say for example, the Avida Towers, we started selling this at 2 million. In fact, 1.9 pala.
1.9 million
Yes,
pa lang.
for a studio unit.
Studio unit.
Yes.
Okay.
That was back in 2014, if I'm not mistaken. Fast forward, 2025. Alam mo magkano ito ngayon? Selling this at 5 million.
5 million. So halos lagpas doble.